Welcome to the Twitter and hashtag tutorial. This tutorial has 5 learning objectives. First, the learner will identify a hashtag and explain its purpose on Twitter. Second, the learner will identify the types of sources and topics that can be researched using Twitter. Third, given an information need, the learner will generate at least one relevant key term to search for on Twitter. 4. Given a key term, the learner will always complete a successful search for at least one relevant hashtag to pursue for more information. And 5. Given a hashtag, the learner will always correctly save it as a search on Twitter. First, let's discuss what Twitter is and how hashtags are used on it. Twitter is a social media platform where users can post or tweet 140-character thoughts or links. A hashtag is a symbol used in front of a phrase, word, or acronym that users will include in their post to link those posts to users talking about similar issues. For example, users frequently tweet about current events. To connect with other users tweeting about the cherry blossoms blooming in Washington, D.C., they might use hashtag cherry blossoms at the end of their tweets. Twitter and hashtags can be a useful tool for finding information about the following. First, current issues, such as hashtag 2016 election or hashtag West Virginia water crisis. The latter one was used by West Virginians during the 2014 water crisis when thousands of people were without usable water due to a chemical spill. Businesses, news media outlets, and individual citizens used it to share information and their experiences. Secondly, events such as a legislative session or academic conference. For example, the Association of Writers and Writing Programs recently met for a conference and participants were encouraged to use hashtag AWP 2015 to communicate with each other and find relevant information about speakers and sessions. Third, social movements, like Bring Back Our Girls, which was a hashtag started by an individual concerned about the lack of media attention given to the kidnapping of young Nigerian women by terrorist Boko Haram. Activists wanted to bring attention to the issue and started a global dialogue about the event using hashtag Bring Back Our Girls as a central place for that conversation. Hashtags also offer a way to find diverse perspectives about a variety of topics. Media personalities and journalists, national, state, and local politicians, experts on topics like academics and science, and everyday citizens use it to express their opinions and share information or resources. However, hashtags in Twitter are not always a suitable resource for information, such as specific details and facts about an issue or the kind of information found in encyclopedias or reference databases, information about topics older than 5 years because Twitter was used less often then, and academic sources. Next, we will explore how to find keywords to search on Twitter that will lead us to hashtags we can follow for more information about a topic. Let's say you want to learn more about the 2015 California drought. Your specific research question is, how are local media outlets covering the current California drought? You will need to search a specific and short phrase, so California drought is our best choice here. Remember, users discuss current issues and events on Twitter, so the more specific you are, the narrower and more precise your results will be. Okay, let's try a search. First, go to your Twitter profile. Locate the search bar in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Type in your key terms. Now that you have generated a results list, you can filter it according to a few different criteria. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of user and media groups that you can choose from to see their specific tweets. Clicking on People will show you users with your search term as their username. Photos and videos will show you media that is attached to tweets that use your search term. Clicking on News will show only tweets that are from news organization accounts or include links to news articles about your key terms. Browsing these categories shows us that users are talking about our topic, the California drought. So now we can search for the hashtag California drought to see what else users are tweeting about the topic. If our initial search did not return many tweets, we should search different key terms until we find one that returns multiple results and suggests that a lot of users are tweeting about our topic. Go back to your search box and enter the hashtag symbol and California drought as one word. That will generate a list of results that only includes tweets that use hashtag California drought. So we will see perspectives from citizens, the media, politicians, celebrities, and anyone else using that hashtag. Make sure to save your search for easy future reference. On your results list, click Save beside your hashtag. Now, when you log back in, you can easily return to your results list by clicking on that saved hashtag. Remember, the results will change each time you search the same hashtag, so you should individually save tweets that you need later by copying and pasting them into a document or taking a screenshot.